Yeah, the dreaded cap. These things lose all the glue, make a mess all over the tank. We're gonna fix this. So I found a piece of billet. This will work. I'm probably gonna just cut these little points off, and then I'll put this in a 4-jaw on here. We'll cut a pocket. We'll put it back on the 3-jaw. Inside the pocket, we'll cut the cap, and we'll probably flip it, put it in, thread it, and we'll see where we're at. It should take probably 45 minutes or so to cut all that. So let's see what happens. Not bad. Alright, we're gonna thread this on the lathe and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, so I got it threaded now. We'll see if it fits. And then we'll polish this up and make it look pretty. Bam! Beautiful. We'll have to clean those all out, get it washed up, and we're going to polish it. I'm going to hit this with some 440 now that we know it fits. And get it semi-shiny, and we're going to polish it. Alright, I just hit it with the 440. Came out pretty decent. Now we're going to polish it. Alright, I got the polish on. I'm going to take my rag, run it around a couple minutes, and we'll see what happens. Alright. Let's focus. It's getting a little more shinier. I'm just rubbing it around with a microfiber towel, some mother's polish. We'll get this done up one more time, and then we'll see what we're at. So here's where we're at. It's not bad for a first try, huh? So, it's nice. Look at how shiny it is. It's amazing. Anyways, so, yeah, I'm going to put a vent hole in this, and when the vent kit comes, and one-way check valve, all that good stuff. So, not bad for a first try. Anyways, it's my fix to the nasty glue cap thread thing that makes a mess of your bike. A lot nicer than the one that came with it.